Hello, welcome to Häfele. I'd like to introduce you to the matrix drawer systems we've got available here at the Installer Show. We've got our Matrix S drawer box system in the anthracite finish. It's available in standard height. We've also got available in a pan drawer height with rails. And at the bottom here, it's with the rails and the additional glass sides. This is on a 35 kilo or a 50 kilo runner system. It's also available in a grey finish and also white if required. What we're showing here is the internal drawer options with the internal fronts. Normally, you would have the drawer fronts on here separately. We've got to the right of this, our Matrix A drawer box system. Now this is a thinner drawer type system on an undermount platform. Currently showing it here again in the anthracite finish with an internal front that's made out of wood. These can be made to suit in different sizes and different finishes that you require to match your kitchen. We're showing here deeper version, deeper drawer system, again on an internal front. And at the bottom, we're showing the same runner, but using it with our oak drawer. And this is our particular bespoke system that we can make to any size, any depth for any runner platform. We've got available at Häfele lots of different drawers and runner options. If you want to speak to us about your requirements, come to Häfele and we'll talk you through the matrix range.